So guys, if you're watching this, you may just be intrigued for the car, but also about what's going on. So, yeah, we've got 2 screws in here that hold that bit in there, but it's just this bit here that holds, it's this bit here that holds it on to the actual door, which is broken. Got these bits in my hand, and we're going to try and do a little fix on the bit and see what happens. So here we have the said part, and I've used some metal epoxy stick which we've obtained from Euro Car Parts here, and basically what I've done, as you can see from here, is that I've reinforced the whole section before the video cuts out. I've reinforced the whole section here inside and out, so then we can actually have some strength for when it holds, so we can put the bolt back through. So I'm going to give it an hour to cure, and once it's cured I'll put it back together again and we'll see how it holds. I'm going to attach it back onto here, just like this. Screw them in. 1. It says to leave it an hour to have it fully cured, but I can't be bothered to wait an hour. Let's have a look. There it is, with our weldy bit on it again. No. Who knows what that bit is? Right, so we'll put this back in the car, okay? It's really hard. Really hard. So we'll put this back on. Right, so we've got that all in place. We've got that lined up in here. That is pretty solid. Yeah, that's good. So now we've put that back on. It's pretty solid. Like this little clip bit back on there, and we'll plug this in here. So there we have it now. We've got our new door handle. All on there, back together. Pretty sturdy through from that point of view. We're not going to have any problems with that. So that's that done. So we've managed to fix that, which is great, because as I say, these parts was looking about £180 on eBay, and I didn't want to pay 180 quid for a stupid little handle. So for like £13 for some like metal resin, I'll put a link to in the description below for the things you can get. If you get the parts out and sort of completely remake it around it, you may be able to get away with it and repair it yourself. So if you found this video helpful at all, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.